Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video is a little kind of scattered. I have a compilation, I have a giveaway of one, a subscription envelope that I received, and a few things from Amazon. I will share the links to these products from Amazon down in the description. I also wanted to tell you that I now have a code for my followers and subscribers to use at Jollysticks, and it is www.jollysticks- no, sorry, I gave you the wrong website. www.jolly-sticks.com, and if you use my code GINGER10, all caps, you will save 10% off of your order. So she gave me that special code because I share her things on Instagram and on my YouTube, and she thought that my followers might like to tap into that. So I was like, yeah, hey, I'll give that to my subscribers. So first things first, I go, let's see, what is today? Yeah, it's next week. Next week is my knee surgery. So I won't be on very often. I actually found out this weekend that both of my sisters are coming. My older sister, she is about 14 months older than me. And then my younger sister is about 18 months younger than me. So they are both flying out from Indiana. The first 2 weeks after surgery, Greg will be off work. He's taking off to help me. And then when he goes back to work, my sisters will be here for that week. So I will have 3 weeks of care and help to get me started to walk again. So I'm super excited for that. I'm just super excited that my surgery is next week. But now that I say that and I think about it, I have to get a COVID test too, and I forgot about that. So yeah, I better set that up. And if you can see it here, we all know the pain of a paper cut. Yeah, I did it on the blade. I call it a paper cut, but I did it on the blade of my paper trimmer. And yeah, and it hurts every time I move. So, okay, a few things that I got at the Amazon. So the first thing I got was this sponge. It's called the Scrub Daddy, and it's a special kind of sponge. I would say it's it's plasticky, but it's supposed to kind of replace your abrasive sponges like the SOS pad and stuff. I use this when I put the pink paste on my pans or whatever to get all of the icky off of them. And this sponge works for everything. You can use it to clean your bathtub. You can use it to scour your pans. Whatever you need it for, this is an excellent sponge. And it's called the Scrub Daddy. And I will link it down below. It's a great sponge. And it's not too harsh. The next thing I got is I got 3 of the Arm & Hammer baking soda. I'm doing some spring cleaning before my sisters come. And I wanted to I wanted to just kind of maintain our drains in the house, the bathtub, the sink in the kitchen. And you are supposed to just pour some baking soda at the entrance of your drain, and then you put some vinegar on top of it, and they make a chemical reaction that is bubbly, and it just cleans and maintains your drains and makes them smell good. So I picked up several boxes of the baking soda. I needed another box for my freezer and one for my fridge because it helps with odors in there if you ever have it. And baking soda was 93 cents. And the Scrub Daddy, I think, was $9.99. But if you get the Scrub Daddy, the Scrub Mommy, and the Scrub Baby, I think you can get them all 3 for like $14.99. So if you wanted to go that route, you certainly could. Greg was out of melatonin, so I picked up this 12 milligram melatonin, 180 tablets. This is the natural berry flavor, and these are the fast dissolved tablets. You do not have to chew them or swallow them, anything like that. But he takes 12 milligrams. How the man can even go to sleep on 12 milligrams, but he can. If he takes too many of these, then he's like dragging the next day. I have so much trouble sleeping. I take 100 milligrams of doxepin every night. So this would not even touch and help me go to sleep at all. The next thing I got were some beauty products. This is Bliss. It is makeup melt. It is a dry or a wet gentle jelly cleanser with rose flower. And this is just like it's just a gel. It's like a jelly. I put 2 pumps in my hand. I wipe it or I rub it all around my face, and then I use a wet cloth and get all my makeup off. And then after I do that, then I cleanse my face with my face wash. So this, I would say it is like a makeup eraser. Makeup melt is a good term for it because it totally just makes your makeup melt right off your face. And then I needed a primer, but I wanted something a little less expensive, but also something that actually works. So I'm trying this I Am Silky by the Cream Shop. It's a matte primer and setting spray, 12 hours makeup elongation. And I can say, as I used it yesterday for the first time when, and I didn't take my makeup off before bed, my makeup was still perfect when I woke up this morning. And normally it's not like that. It'll usually get on my shirt or whatever. Or it will wipe off on my pillow. No, not with this. Yeah, this actually works. And it's very, very lightweight, and it has a wonderful smell to it. It does have a little scent to it, but I love it. So it works, and it's $7.99. So I will link both of those products down in the description. And then I needed some more brow setter. This is by Benefit, and it's 24-hour brow setter. It's just a kind of like a mascara wand, but you just brush it over your brows. I am one of those lucky ones that inherited my dad's eyebrows, and so my eyebrows grow down towards my eyelid, and I like them to be brushed up, and this will set your eyebrows just perfectly. It works quickly. It only takes one swipe, and yeah, they don't move all day long. And then this last thing is a brow microfilling pen made by Benefits. Looks like this. And I got the deep brown color. Let's see if I can make a mark on my hand. Yeah, it looks like that, but it looks pretty real. I love using this brow pencil. And it dries quickly. So, that is the other thing I got. So all these Amazon products will be listed down below in the description. And these will be affiliate links. So I do earn a little bit of commission. I will call it change is what we will call it. If you use my links. But it doesn't cost anything for you to use my links. The next thing that I have is I won a giveaway from coffeebrainplans.com, and her name is Vanessa, and she had a giveaway on Instagram, and she is on Instagram under Coffee Brain Plans, so you should go over. She makes kits for the what's it called? Not the plum cleaner, the, oh my gosh, I can't even think of what it's called. Oh, it's totally slipped my mind. this is a weekly kit that I want. I just wish I could think of what it's called. When I think of it, I'll let you know. But she makes kits for that. I'm a daily planner, and I can use any kit in my planners. It doesn't matter how they're formatted. So I won this. It's called Purple Teal Marble Weekly Kit. You get your days of the week, some headers, some washi. I'm still trying to think of the name of that planner. It seems like it starts with a P, but it's not plum planner. You get some strips that have the times, some checklist, some to-dos, work and personal. You get some checklist boxes, personal goals, work and focus. You get some banners, some more headers, date dots, banners, and days of the week. And then some functional flags and circles. Some more checklist boxes and bills due. Here's my favorite page, the washi, or not washi, but the sticky notes is definitely my favorite. Hers are nice and big though, so I can write a whole appointment on those. You get habit trackers and several work boxes, and then you get an entire sheet of functional boxes. So that is the kit I won from the giveaway on Instagram. It's not the plum planner. It is, what is it called? Passion planner. Yeah, it's the passion planner. She makes kits for the passion planner. And so, yeah, you know, do you ever do that? Like it's on the tip of your tongue. You can see it. You just can't get the words out. But like I knew it started with the P. But for the life of me, I couldn't think of what it was. And then I just saw passion planner, simple boxes. So, good Lord. And then I got my monthly April subscription from sLo Planning. It's kind of a rainbow hollow this time. The first thing we get is always some washi. So there's some pretty kind of floral with gold bows. We get her her little sampler every month. And then I have to go in, let me find it, sLo Planning. I get my little card out and put my my little bow on here. And then when I get 6 of them, then you get a $10 shop credit. But this is like rainbow foil. So this is her standard freebie. We also got a freebie from the Wonder Stickers Co. So super cute. We also got a freebie from Sari May 3 stickers. She has a Facebook group too. I'm going to have to check that out though. And then we always get a weekend banner in the rainbow foil. Then we got some scripts in the rainbow foil. We got clean, errands, planning, groceries, payday, plan week, happy Mother's Day, laundry, no spend, pampers yourself, lazy day, vacuum, nap, takeout, Netflix binge, trash day, work, sticker sale, and clean bathroom. And usually her scripts change month to month. We usually always get 2 sets of the days of the week. So over here we have the black with the rainbow foil, and then we have like a tan color with the rainbow foil. I hope you can see that rainbow. This is super cute. And then we got some box overlays. Or I'm wondering if I put these boxes down, if I can't write over them, if I use like a permanent marker, permanent pen. I might try that. So those are the overlays. And then we get these icons. We get trash, kind of an asterisk, a TV, and then what's for dinner. And the last one is all decorative. We get some like little flourishes, some bows, some flowers. These can be used as dividers, headers, or whatever you need them for in your planner or your journal. So that is my sLo planning subscription, the giveaway I won from Coffee Brain Plans, and all of the Amazon products I've been getting lately. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and yeah, I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope you stick around. Follow me on Instagram. It's Gingersplanscraftsbeauty on Instagram, and maybe you can send me a DM of well wishes, or just we can talk through that, so that while I'm off and getting surgery and recovering, I still have connections to people. So have a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon with another video.